In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a timer to shut down your PC. This is really handy if you like to leave your computer running while downloads finish, videos render, or you just tend to fall asleep watching something. Instead of leaving your PC on all night, you can set it to turn itself off automatically after a certain amount of time. We're going to do this using a built-in Windows tool called the Run dialog and a simple shutdown command. You don't need to install any extra software, and you can change or cancel the timer at any time. First, let's open the Run dialog. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. You should see a small window pop up, usually in the bottom left or center of your screen, with a text field labeled PIN. In that box, we're going to type a command that tells Windows to shut down after a specific number of seconds. The basic format looks like this: shutdown, then a space, then S for shutdown, another space, and a T followed by the number of seconds. For example, if you want your PC to shut down in 1 hour, you need to convert that hour into seconds. 1 hour is 60 minutes, and each minute has 60 seconds, so 60 times 60 equals 3,600 seconds. In the Run box, you would type shutdown, touch 3,600. Then click OK or press Enter. As soon as you run that command, Windows will schedule the shutdown. You might see a notification telling you that Windows will shut down at a certain time. At this point, you can leave your PC and it will automatically power off when the timer runs out. If you want a different delay, just change the number at the end. For example, 1,800 seconds is 30 minutes. 7,200 seconds is 2 hours, and so on. Just remember that the number is always in seconds, not minutes. Now, let's say you've set a shutdown timer, but you change your mind. Maybe your download finished early, or you decided to keep working. You can cancel the timer easily. Open the Run dialog again with Windows plus R, and this time type shutdown/A. The A stands for abort. Press Enter, and you should get a message that the scheduled shutdown has been canceled. That's all there is to it. Using this simple command, you can control exactly when your PC shuts down, save power, and avoid leaving it running longer than necessary.